Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Miss Wicks, and I'm one of the chemistry teachers here at Taylor. I'm going to do a quick demonstration for you, and your job is basically to remember what you learned about physical versus chemical changes and try to decide which one you're observing. Okay? So, the first demo that I'm going to show you is one with iodine, and it is right here on the periodic table, just so you get an idea. There it is, iodine right there. I'll show you a little bit of it. Okay, so here's what it looks like to start with, because remember, you're supposed to see how it changes. And it is a grayish solid with a little bit of sparkle to it. I'm not sure if you can see that on the video. So that's what it starts out as. Now, this is kind of when it turns to vapors, it's pretty toxic. So that's why I have to do it over here in the hood. And I'm also only going to use a little tiny bit. Okay, now I want to show you what else we have is just a evaporating dish with some ice in it, so you know what's going on. I'm going to put that on the top, and then I'm going to heat it with the Bunsen burner. And remember, it started out as a little gray solid, and it's going to take it a minute, so just be patient. I'll come over there and show you once it gets going, but I have to do it over here in the hood because those vapors are pretty toxic. So it's going straight from a solid to a gas. You can start to see some of those purple vapors. And remember, it started out as a gray solid. So I'm going to grab this and hopefully not drop it. I'm going to bring it so you can get a better look. See those pretty purple vapors? And remember, it's a gray solid in there. Okay, and I'm continuing to heat it till all those purple vapors disappear because I don't want to breathe those. And think about what's going on. We're going from a solid straight to a gas. There was no liquid in there at all, right? We didn't see any liquid in there. It was just solid and vapors. And so I'm heating that solid till it goes all the way into the vapors. Think about what that's called when you go from solid straight to a gas. That's a vocabulary word you're going to need to know. And we're getting pretty close to all of it. Okay. All right, I'm going to go turn the gas off. Just turn it off. Okay, so now I'm going to dump out the ice that was on top. So remember, I heated it from the bottom and I had ice on the top to cool it back down. And then you can see what's left. Hopefully I won't drop this. Are back to the gray. I should have showed you what it looked like before, but there was none of this gray stuff on the bottom of it. It was clean. But those gray little flecks are the iodine, so it returned back to its original state. So use all that information that I just talked to you about And think about whether that is a chemical or a physical change. So remember, chemical changes turns into something brand new. A physical change, you just change the way it looks, and you can easily put it back to the way it was before. Alrighty.